Do people commonly utilize their constitutional right to remain silent before coming to an attorney? Attorney Brian Sloan says, a lot of people tend to say one thing or another because most people tend to be open, honest, and forthcoming with the officers. Unfortunately, they do not teach people these things in junior high school, or college. The person might be taking a class that talked about constitutional rights, but it does not tend to stick with the general population. Most people don't know they could refuse field sobriety tests or that they should not have answered any questions. People are not aware of their rights, and they generally tend to not care about what their rights are until it's too late. They have already been arrested, and they were dealing with the consequences, because then they would see the problems and that they had already hurt themselves because they were open, honest, and agreed to do the field sobriety tests. This does not seem like something most people want to retain because I have had repeat clients who I had represented the first time, but they ended up getting arrested for a second DUI. In this case, I know they had my business card and they were aware of the do's and don'ts upon getting arrested, but they forgot to look at the card and ended up admitting to everything. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Brian Sloan in Phoenix, Arizona at 602-357-8980 or visit him on the web at www.arizDUI.com.